this previous week, I'm explained about the foundations of AWS Developer Associate and some of the tools and practices. And here I'm going to explain one of the topic of compute. In that compute topic, I'm going to explain about the Amazon EC2 instance. It's like Amazon EC2 instance. Uh, Understanding what Amazon instance is. EC2 stands for an elastic compute cloud, and it is the foundational services in AWS that gives you virtual servers, or so known as instance. And Amazon instance is as a elastic compute cloud, scalable and secure compute capacity in the AWS cloud for on-demand launch and management of virtual services servers, core AWS services to host scalable applications. That means that it means which you can launch and manage on demand. Think of its renting or servers in the cloud where you can run applications just like you would on a physical machine. It's a flexible, scalable, and perfect for everything from basic website to enterprise level workloads. And here is the sample picture of the Amazon EC2. And next, I'm going to explain about the instance, the virtual machine. In this virtual mission, first one is like an instance is a essential your virtual computer in the cloud, or as you can choose the operating systems, configure the resources, and starting run your applications, and use it to run website application, APIs, and ML models, and etc. You can choose an OS, Linux, Ubuntu, or anything Windows, and billing starts when launched and stops at termination or stopped. Launch them and stop them, which makes EC2 very cost effective. And next thing, Amazon mission image is like it's already configured template to launch EC2 instance, includes operating system, software stack, and app servers. Choose public AMIs or custom AMIs. It means that when you launch an instant, you need an AMI or Amazon mission images. Think of an AMI as a blueprint. It includes the operating systems, the application servers, and the software stack you need. AWS offers a variety of pre-built AMIs like Amazon, Linux, Ubuntu, and even custom ones. You can also create your own AMIs to reuse configurations across teams or projects. And next one is instance type and use cases. Define CPUs, memory storage, and networking and examples. And not all workload is like T2 micro and P-type low cost testing, M5 large balanced compute, P3 2x large is like GPU accelerated like machine learning, choose based on the workloads. It's like not every workloads is created equal, and this is why EC2 provides a few different instance type. For example, the T2 micro is a part of free tier, which is good for testing, and the PX2X large, for example, has a GPU. If you wait to utilize pre-trained machine learning models, the whole idea is to match your instance types to your use case, whether money utilize pre-trained machine learning models. The whole idea is to match your instant type to your use case, whether it's compute intensive, memory optimized, or general purpose. It's like access and security features. First one is key pair, and second is IP, and third is groups. It's like in security is a major concern with EC2. AWS key pairs for SSH access, private and public keys to secure logins, You can also assign an elastic IP address, a static public IP that don't change. Finally, secure groups are like firewalls rules. You can use them to control what traffic is allowed to and from your instance. For example, you could allow only port 22 for SSH or allow only port 80 for HTTP. And EBS is like elastic block store. First one is persistence storage attached to ECT, secure when instance stops or start up against snapshots and backups available, ideal for database and file system. Is like every EC2 instance needs storage and AWS provides using elastic block storage or EBS. These are durable volumes that act like a virtual hard drives. You can also attach them to your instance and they persistence even if you start or reboot your server. You can also take snapshots for backups and disaster recovery, making EBS ideal for database and high availability system. Here is the picture of the Amazon EC2 and this is the elastic block storage volumes. And this is like auto scaling and ELB. In this auto scaling automatically adjust instance count. ELB is like distribute traffic across multiple instance, ensure high availability and performance. This means a big advantage of and this is the big advantage of EC2. It is like ability to scale. With auto scaling, AWS can automatically launch or terminate instance based on traffic or resources usage. For example, during a peak hours, it can spin up more servers and scale back during low usage. And with the elastic load balancer or ELB, incoming traffic is distributed across multiple instances so your application stays responsive and availability. Here is the picture example of the auto scaling and elastic load balancer. And next slide. It is like what why use ECT. First one is scalability, flexibility, and cost effective and reliability. In ECT provides value because it is scalable to help you grow and shrinks based on demands. It's flexible and gives you many choices on OS and hardware. It's a cost effective with pay as you go pricing and spotting price. And most importantly, it is reliable due to AWS multi-region, multi-available zones architecture. As such, it makes sense that EC2 is the center of most cloud-based architectures today. Thank you.